Besides the regular inequality operators, Oracle allows composite inequality operators which comprise of more than one symbol. The following SQL achieves less than or equal to function by using less than equal to signs, and it brings rows that are less than 0.25 as well as equal to 0.25. Okay, you see the values that are less than 0.25 as well as the values that are equal to 0.25. This SQL achieves greater than or equal to function by using greater than equal to signs, and it brings rows that are greater than 0.25 as well as equal to 0.25. You see the values that are greater than 0.25 as well as equal to 0.25. As well as the column in the where class doesn't have to be in the select class. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.